And so when you have so much sellers at a point, and if finally the bulls break through, the sellers have to fill they have to close out their position, meaning that they have to buy back, and when they buy back, it increases the price, right? If something let's so something that you can refer to that everyone knows is the GameStop, right? The short squeeze, the big,
Yes.
right? So short squeezes happens all the time, but no one really tells you about them because they're not as drastic as GameStop or AMC or what was it, BlackBerry and Nokia, right?
Interesting you bring up GameStop. It just crashed again. Was it 21 and change the other day? Back up to 24 almost now.
You have to
Down
watch
30%.
GameStop with Bitcoin now. You have to watch. You have to trade GameStop as a meme coin with Bitcoin because now they're starting to accumulate and buying Bitcoin. And so now people are going to say, okay, if they buy Bitcoin and Bitcoin increases in price, they can reevaluate their assets, all their assets, including Bitcoin, and then they can refinance, get new loans and stuff like that.
Uh,
So that's why these companies buy this, because if Bitcoin increases, it's just like having real estate. If you buy a house at 100,000 and then in 10 years from now it goes up to, I don't know, 300,000, you have a net profit of 200,000. You can get a new line of credit for, if you have the whole house paid off, for I think 50% of the house, right? If you're following along, your initial asset was 100 grand. You went from 300 and now you have a line of credit of 150,000, right? So you just increased your potential capital by 50% if you're following along. So that's what these companies do.